how to install Saturn lock screen widget. So first of all, you need to go and obviously install Saturn app. So just tap and then just install Saturn. So here is the Saturn app. It's very popular school app. And then yeah, basically you can just open the app, make sure you log in, join your school, and then you see here it says lock screen widgets have landed. Tap and hold your phone's lock screen to customize. It just shows this, but yeah, basically how you do it, you just go to settings and then go to wallpaper, and from here you tap customize, and from here tap add widgets, and then you just need to search for Saturn widget from here, just like that, and then class progress, show your class progress or upcoming classes. So like two types of widgets you can install, and then either small like icon kind of widget or more bigger horizontal widget. So here you can see class progress. Just tap on the widget, then you will see it here, and then you can just tap done in the top, and then basically you just installed a Saturn widget. So for example like that, and then you just need to wait some time, and then this is basically the idea. And then you can just see what happens if you just tap on that widget. You will be redirected, and you will see just depending on the widget you installed, you will either see your upcoming classes or class progress, or yeah, something like that. So that's how you basically install those, and then you will just see them on your lock screen when you lock your phone. That's basically the idea. And then unfortunately there are no home screen widgets, there are only lock screen widgets for Saturn app.